What if I told you the investment everyone recommends, the S&P 500 ETF, might be leaving money on the table? Most investors buy the index and hope for the best. But there's another ETF that tracks those same 500 companies, focuses only on the growth leaders, and has consistently beaten the regular S&P 500 over the last decade. You probably haven't heard of it until now. Today we're breaking down VOOG ETF and how this small strategic upgrade could help you build bigger long-term wealth. Part 1. What is VOOG? VOOG is Vanguard's ETF that tracks the S&P 500 Growth Index. When you buy VOOG, you're not investing in all 500 companies of the S&P 500. You're investing in the subset classified specifically as growth companies. This ETF focuses on businesses with higher earnings growth, stronger momentum, and greater reinvestment potential. Instead of owning the entire market, VOOG tilts your portfolio toward companies expected to grow faster than average. Part 2. Key characteristics. VOOG offers an extremely low expense ratio of just 0.07%. It holds roughly 200 to 250 growth-focused companies selected from the S&P 500. It also manages over $22 billion in assets. Dividends are paid quarterly, with a modest yield around 0.52%, which is lower than traditional S&P 500 funds because VOOG companies reinvest more of their profits to fuel growth. And like all Vanguard ETFs, VOOG is passively managed and automatically rebalanced, keeping the strategy simple, efficient, and hands-off. Part 3. Top holdings. VOOG is led by giant companies driving modern economic growth. Its largest exposure comes from sectors like information technology, communication services, consumer discretionary, healthcare, and financials. It features companies like Apple, Nvidia, Meta, Amazon, Tesla, Eli Lilly, and Visa. This structure gives you broad diversification while maintaining a clear growth bias. These are companies with dominant competitive advantages and massive global reach. By investing in VOOG, you're effectively doubling down on the businesses fueling innovation, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, digital advertising, and the future of consumer technology. Part 4. Performance. Historically, growth has been one of the most powerful strategies in U.S. markets, and VOOG has directly benefited from that trend. Since its inception in 2010, VOOG has delivered an average annual return of around 16.7%, driven by the expansion of America's fastest-growing companies. Part 5. Why invest in VOOG? People invest in VOOG for a few clear reasons. It offers targeted exposure to high-growth companies. It's especially well-suited for younger investors or anyone with a long-time horizon, as it concentrates on companies reinvesting heavily into future growth. VOOG simplifies a growth-focused strategy into a single, low-cost fund, while allowing you to participate in innovation across multiple sectors automatically. Growth investing can come with higher volatility, so this ETF is best for investors who believe in long-term capital appreciation, don't need high income today, and are willing to stay invested in the engine of U.S. growth. Part 6. Real-world example. Imagine investing just $100 every week into VOOG for 30 years. If it continues to average around 16.7% annually, as it has since inception, that portfolio could grow to over $2.9 million. If you enjoy ETF breakdowns like this, like the video and subscribe for more.